If you have Oppo F29 5G smartphone and you want to set your fingerprint lock, then this is the video for you. Open your settings, scroll down and then select security and privacy. Again scroll down and then select device unlock. Select fingerprint and face lock and then select fingerprint. Click on agree and then click on next. Now if you haven't set your screen lock, then you have to select numeric alphanumeric pattern, otherwise you can skip this part. Here I'm selecting pattern, wait for 5 seconds and then click on continue. Draw your password and then confirm your password. Now click on add now and then place your thumb or finger, whatever you want to add, on the sensor like this, and then keep on tapping the sensor until it completely capture your finger. You have to adjust the finger so it can completely capture the edges of your thumb. After this, click on done. Now if you want to add your face lock, then click on enroll, otherwise click on cancel. Now you can easily unlock your smartphone with the help of your thumb like this.